Hello everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. If you are new here, my name is Susmita. So in today's video, I will be creating a soft glam look using some of my favorite products from MAC along with some other products. You can create this makeup during Bihu festivals, Eid, weddings or any occasions. Hope you will like it. So let's begin. First of all, to set my brows, I will use Benefit Cosmetics 24 Hours Brow Setting Gel. For filling my brows, I will use Benefit Cosmetics Precisely Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5 Deep Brown. Before starting my eye makeup, I am going to use MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NW30. Now, to set the concealer, I will use MAC Studio Fix Powder in the shade NC30. With a powder brush, I will slightly apply little amount of powder on my eyelid and under eye areas. Excess amount of powder looks cakey, so take a little amount of powder. Next, from the Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright palette, I will pick the nude color Queen as transition shade. For blending this color, I am using PAC eyeshadow brush 126. Again, from the same palette, I will use a color Model which is darker than the first shade. With the same blending brush, I will pick a shade Wi-Fi for outer corners from the same palette. Again, for the lid areas, I will use a light purple shade Birthday Cake. I am using the same brush, just clean it with a dry cloth and use it again. Now, for the lower lid areas, with the same brush, I will pick the darker shade Model. Next, I will pick the dark purple shade Wi-Fi and will apply on the top of brown shade. I am using little amount of concealer to clean the excess eyeshadow. Using shimmery shades on brow bone and inner corners of eyes. On the waterline areas, using MAC Gold liner in the shade Grab Black. Next, using eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Now, using MAC Hot and Naughty mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Before applying foundation, I will use primer, and for that I will use MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix. Now, to conceal some moles and pimple spots on my face, I will use concealer in the shade NW30 from MAC. Now, to set the concealer, I will use a little amount of MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC30. I will apply MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NC30. I will take 3 pumps of this foundation and will apply in dots with fingers. Now, with PAC foundation brush 006, I will blend the foundation to get a smooth finish. This foundation provides a medium to full buildable coverage. Now, I will use MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC30. With a powder puff, I will lightly press the powder on face. I will add a little bit of bronzer on my face. For that, I am using Physicians Formula bronzer in the shade Bronzer. With PAC blending brush 265, I will take a tiny amount of bronzer and will apply on cheekbone, forehead, jawline and neck. I will use a little bit of bronzer on my nose as well. Now, I will use MAC matte powder blush in the shade Mocha on my cheek. On the top of this blush, I will use MAC Extra Dimension blush into the pink. You can use this blush during daytime also. To set my makeup, I will use MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix. I will spray it all over my face. Now, I will press it with a sponge so that it goes inside and set the makeup perfectly in place all day long. Now, to highlight some of my areas of my face, I will use MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. Before applying lipstick, I will outline my lips with Chamber Lip Liner in the shade Brown 01. Now, I am using MAC Powder Kiss lipstick in the shade Stay Curious. I will apply my falsies and will be back with the final look. And that is my final look. You can create this makeup look on any occasions. I am wearing Muga Silk Mekhla Chadar. Muga silk is a variety of wild silk geographically tagged to the state of Assam in India. So, if you want to watch more videos, then press the bell icon to get the notifications. See you in the next video. Bye.